Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to create an XY scatter chart in Word for data comparison, scientific analysis, statistics, mathematics, and professional reports. Scatter charts are perfect for showing relationships between two sets of numerical values using points on a graph. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. Now I'm go some down. Then go to the insert menu, click the chart option. Then here the XY scatter chart, you can choose any, like the scatter with smooth ball and a scatter with smooth line, or scatter with straight lines and markers, etc. Now I'm select this, the smooth line. You can change it. Now you can see we add or insert the chart very easily. You can edit on the Excel data sheet, like make it 5. Here the data sheet change. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.